Hey Mom. Currently my son is teething his 2-year molars.
He's been teething since he was about 3.5 months old.
About 4 months now.
3 months old? I actually expected her to start teething earlier.
So he constantly has his fingers in his mouth.
And chewing on everything.
It's really fussy and drools a lot.
His mouth gets very uncomfortable, especially at night.
He's a little cranky when he first wakes up.
Her discomfort comes and goes.
I'm really excited because our Orajel natural products came in the mail today.
The first one is a quick dissolving tablet. And the second one is a daytime gel, homeopathic.
And Orajel Naturals, nighttime.
I do prefer to use natural products. Love that these are all homeopathic.
And dye-free and paraben-free.
I also love the size of this in my purse with quick access. I can just put a small amount on my finger and put it right in the area that is bothering him. It really seems to provide him relief very quickly.
She's not showing any signs of pain. She's not chewing.
During the day to just be able to play and enjoy himself. And at night it helps him sleep. Awesome.
The teething process will be a lot easier for both of us.